nominees for Best Festival Supporting Actor are Enzo Cruz III, honored by Father Tito de la Paz, Nilalang, Alden Richards, My Baby Love, hashtag Kilig Pa More, DJ Trinidad, Buy Now, Die Later, Pepe Herrera, hashtag Walang Forever.
At ang nagbugi para sa 2015 Metro Manila Film Festival Best Supporting Actor ay si Enzo Cruz III, honored by Father.
Thank you. MMFF, maraming salamat po sa napakagandang papasok sa akin ito at sa pagtatapos ng ating taon. Anyway, congratulations din at maraming pasasalamat po sa Reality Entertainment. Kay Direk Eric Mati for trusting in me. Sa aming whole cast na pinamumunahan ng aming primo na si John Lloyd Cruz. Maraming salamat for entrusting me with the role of Bishop Tony. Kay Meryl, sa lahat ng buong cast po, maraming salamat. Kay Tess Santo, Tess Fuentes na kumuha sa akin. Ikinasta ko rito sa pelikula ito sa honor by Father. And of course, to the forever, pangabang buhay na talaga na the wings beneath my wing. The wind beneath my wing, I mean, ang aking asawa si Lynn, of course, my three kids, TJ, Bodie, and Janine.